What's going on, guys? It's your girl Easy Breezy, and we are back with another hair sponsor. Thank you so much, Eayon Hair. I've actually worked with Eayon Hair a bunch of times before today, so they are not new to my channel at all. So today they sent me a 5x5 HD lace closure wig. Now, y'all know I love my lace closure wigs because they are so easy to install. You don't need glue, but you can use glue if you want it to be a little bit more secure. But most of all, these installs are quick and easy, and baby, my models just be in and out, in and out, in and out, in and out. So modeling today, we have my girl Kalia in the building. Now I have to give Kalia her flowers, okay, because she is the GOAT. Okay, she was the first nail tech that I met at Salon Ramsey, my very first salon job, and she was the first person that actually gave me a chance to service her, like, and do her hair. And she paid me, and I was like, okay, she cool. So it kind of shocked me because, you know, sometimes the stylist can come off like, oh, I don't want no one else touching my hair, especially a newbie or whatever. But, you know, ever since that first time I did her hair, we just been rocking ever since. Been doing her hair for years, and now she's here on my channel. So every time me and Kalia link up, we always talk about business and money and goals, and she's just as passionate about her career as me. So literally that's all we talk about when we're around each other. So in honor of that, I'm going to be telling you guys how I built my clientele when I was a stylist and how I kept it so large and steady for almost 10 years. All right, so I wrote down 10 things that I feel like, you know, need to be mentioned when it comes to building and keeping your clientele. So number one, we have content, okay? Always posting good content. Every time I do someone's hair, I record it, take pictures, have them do a drop, you know, just create multiple pieces of content from one client so that I have something to post at least every single day. Like when I was doing hair, I had something to post every single day, even if it wasn't new content. Sometimes I would recycle content from, you know, old clients and stuff like that. So as long as you post every single day, then you're going to keep your name and your brand at the top of people's mind. So number two, I have quality control. So even though I would post quality content, in my opinion, that never stopped me from upgrading my content. So I brought a ring light, and I wouldn't take a picture of my client unless they were in front of the light or they were in like natural sunlight, right? So it's like when people see that you're getting better, your content's getting better, and that you're growing, some people that may not have considered coming to you before may consider it now just because they see that you just continue to grow. All right, number three, we have a great attitude and never say no. All right, now I know that some of y'all are thinking like, girl, what? Never say no. Like, girl, you got me. Oh, no. But no, really, like, even if you have to say no, say it in a way where you're not really saying no. Like, for example, if a client is like, you know, can I pay this much for an install, color and a frontal and all this stuff? And you know good and damn well, honey, that ain't enough money. You can be like, well, for that cost, I can give you this instead, but never say no. It's just like a customer service like law, and it always gets me good results. And normally people end up spending either what they had or more when you just never really say no. All right, number four, we have create a good, pleasurable shop experience. So listen, always play music, you know, so people can vibe, leave the drama at home, okay? Serve water bottles, serve chips, serve wine, and just make your experience just really comfortable and unforgettable, where people just listen, that like your shop has to be people's second home. Make it just like that. All right, number five is create a one-stop shop. All right, so at my shop, we sold hair, we sold closures, we did color. Baby, we did the whole nine. So you did not have to go anywhere else for any other thing. Okay, so try to get at least lace products on hand at first. I had closures and frontals on hand for years before I even had bundles. That made me a lot more money, and it prevented people from having to run around Atlanta, to find lace products. All right, number 6, we have master timing. All right, it's a big problem in hair salons, people getting out late, people being in salons for 10, 12 hours and stuff like that. Now, I'm not gonna lie, this is something that I always struggled with at my shop, was timing. But at least, I always had assistants. I always had at least 2 assistants to help me rotate the clients. So, I don't know, timing, that always kind of got me a little bit, you know what I'm saying? But at least have at least 1 or 2 assistants, or I've even had 4 assistants at one time because my clientele was that large. So whatever you have to do to reduce and cut the time, do that. All right, now we're at number 7, which is stay put, okay? When stylists are all over the place, people cannot find them, you're not where you were last time, it really irks the hell out of people and they will not come back. Like, a stylist not staying put or just being all over the place will literally make someone find a new stylist and dump you. So find a place to stay, you know what I'm saying? And solidify yourself in that area so people can know where you are at all times. All right, number 8, we have be available, okay? So this kind of goes with number 7 a little bit, not really. But number 8 is be available, okay? Always just have a certain amount of time or days where people know where they can come to you. Calling off of work or just randomly saying that you're not available these days or that day, it's annoying. You know what I'm saying? So be available and have certain days where people know they can pull up on you and they know they can get their hair done or nails done or makeup done or whatever. So the last year I was doing hair, I actually made my shop a walk-in system instead of a booking system, and people loved that. So yeah. All right, number 9, we have give incentives, okay? So if a girl is coming to you over and over and over to get her hair done, by her 3rd sewing, give her $25 off, something easy, Incentives can be if you recommend someone or if you bring a friend or if you sell hair for me or whatever, just give people money back toward their install or even cash. People love incentives and it will motivate people to, kind of work for you a little bit. All right, we have number 10, which is never be lazy, okay? I don't care if a client came to 100 times. That 100th time should look like the first time. Clients know what you're doing to their head. They know when you're skipping steps, okay? So don't be lazy. Do their hair right, have integrity, and don't be lazy with their head. Do it right. So once again, thank you so much, Eayon Hair, for sponsoring this video. Now, this hair is curly, soft, thick, okay? This is a 5x5 HD lace closure wig. So if you guys want this exact unit, I'm gonna put all the information in the description right below. If you're not subscribed to my channel already, make sure you go ahead and do that and turn on your notifications. And I will see y'all later.